Hello everyone, today I am sharing a beautiful rechargeable light. If you make this light, so please watch this full video. So let's start for a make rechargeable light. First of all, I need to take a transparent sheet. The transparent sheet should be formed into the round shape by the heating through the hot gun. Then we will take a 4-inch PVC pipe and cut some pieces from it. Then we will take plastic sheet and cut round parts from it. Then we will drill holes through the drill machine on the PVC pipe for the switchboard. Now we can charge the battery two ways, type C and type B. For that I am the connection the type B cable to the type C module. Now I will take some lithium batteries. I will put heating tubes on batteries to protect the battery. I will now work on all the battery positive and all the battery negatives together for parallel connection. Four batteries together will not fit inside the PVC pipe, so I will use 3 batteries. Now I will take a cob LED which will be 5 volts and we will connect to the plastic board by super glue. Then LED negative wire connect to the switchboard. Now 2 wire connection the charging board from the battery. Now 2 switch connection the negative wire from battery. Now LED positive connection for the battery. Now I will add one more LED light from switch and battery connection. I will connect the light on the rod to make the light look nice. After finishing the wiring to the rod, we will now connect the wires to the light. I am using by the rod to the hang the light by the hand. I will now the charge it through a mobile charger and see if the light the charging. Yes, it's charging. Yes, it's finally completed for the light, and is it very beautiful. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and comment this video. Thanks for watching.